This week I am testing the luxury 5-seater Range Rover Evoque, and this is the plug-in hybrid model. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Evoque there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages within plastic guides on the back of all three seat backs, and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now you can nicely fit 3 Infosecure child seats across the back here. I've got the Infosecure Adapt More infant capsule rear facing, the Momentum More and the Achieve More forward facing. And legroom is great in here. We could fit a 185cm driver in front of the rear facing Infosecure Adapt More infant capsule. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the links here. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, so you can keep little passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also a 12-volt socket and 2 USB-C sockets in the back, so rear passengers can charge their devices too. Storage in the back of the Evoque FEV is good. There are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's sippy cup fits in there too. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a good size in the back. They'll hold a refillable water bottle. Storage in the front is good too. Underneath a tray in the central console box there are 2 cup holders, and they'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a central console box that's a good size, and you've got USB-C charging points in there too. There's a phone charging tray underneath the central console, and little slots in the side of the central console for phones as well. The glove box is a good size in here. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual, and the door bins in the front are larger. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. The media system in the Range Rover Evoque is spread across the 2 screens. Really lovely and clear to use touch screens. Now you control everything through here. You can see your weather. That's your EV screen. I've only got 2% left of the plug-in hybrid battery, so I better get that plugged in tonight. Then all your things for off-roading are here as well. It's got Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay. So you can access your phone and all your apps and things like that in there too. Now down on the bottom screen, that's where you control your climate, also your heated seats and things within the vehicle as well. And you can switch between hybrid and EV as well easily there too. These rotary dials are for adjusting the temperature and things for your climate and for the fan speed. Now when you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear. You can change your angles of the camera too, and you can turn the parking sensors noise off with buttons on the screen there. I love the door handles on the Evoque because you can simply press on the buttons here to lock them and they go in, or press again to open it. The boot of the Evoque opens easily with a press button and closes that way too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot.
Empty, it will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 1 shopping bag, or a medium-sized dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Leclerc Baby Influencer XL, which is a one-handed fold stroller, making parenting easier for families. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller fits with 6 shopping bags. The Leclerc Baby Influencer XL with bassinet fits with 2 shopping bags, and the Leclerc Baby Influencer XL with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 6 shopping bags. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Leclerc Baby Influencer XL stroller.
The Range Rover Evoque plug-in hybrid is a really lovely car to drive. It's a really lovely and smooth and quiet. Being a luxury vehicle, you're really cocooned from all that outside road and wind noise. Also, because of the hybrid, the 60 kilometres that you can do on battery range, really nice and quiet. Now I've found that 60 kilometres enough to do my daily school drop-offs and commute, and also just nipping around town and things like that without using fuel. Now visibility is good in here. With the 3 child seats in the back, I can just see over the top of them, and I've got nice visibility down the side windows too. Now the turning circle is pretty good in here, which also makes school and supermarket car parks, places like that, really nice and easy. There's a child lock button in the driver's door, which is great. You just simply press that, it locks both the rear doors and windows at once. There's also a camera in the media screen. You simply press the button on the left-hand side and that comes on while you're driving, so you can see out of the back. So to sum up with the Range Rover Evoque plug-in hybrid, it does make a fantastic family baby drive. You can fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats nicely across the back row, with good legroom in the front for passengers too. The boot space is fantastic, and you can easily fit the Leclerc baby in the boot there, with plenty of room for shopping too. The drive is great, and that plug-in hybrid battery range is just enough to do the school drop-off, nip around town and things like that daily. And the media system and cameras are fantastic too.